Hello students, I am Akshita Dinkar Mane, professor from SPM Polytechnic Kumthi. Today we are going to do the practical number 4 single stage common source field effect transistor. Okay, in that we will see how the FET is act as an amplifier. The FET used is a common source field effect transistor. For that purpose we use the circuit is as shown in this circuit diagram. Okay, the practical circuit diagram is as shown in the figure, in which we use the coupling capacitor which is of 0.1 microfarad, and here we used again the coupling capacitor which couples only AC part to the output and blocks the DC part. Okay, this is of the 0.1 microfarad. We use the resistor at the drain which is of 4.7 kilo ohm and resistor at the emitter which is of 1.5 kilo ohm. We use the emitter it is source bypass capacitor which is having the value of 4.7 microfarad. Okay, we connect the input from the function generator. The component used in this practicals are the function generator, this kit. In this kit we use the capacitor, resistor, field effect transistor, that means FET, and power supply. After that we get the output at the CRO. First we will see the function generator. This is the function generator in which we adjust the frequency 988 Hertz, that means it is near about 1 kilohertz. We can adjust it by varying this probe. Okay, we can adjust this frequency by varying this probe, and we can get the output from this terminal, and we apply the output at this input. Okay, input of this circuit. Input of this circuit is connected to the function generator, and now we are going to take the output. Output is taken at CRO. This is the CRO. On the CRO we connect one probe, and at that probe we will get the output from the circuit. Okay, in this CRO we take both input and output for our reference, but now we take the only output at on the CRO. Okay, we connect power supply is used to giving the VCC source, or here we use the VDD source. V plus is given from this power supply. We adjust the voltage 9.8 volt. We can vary this voltage by varying this probe. By varying the fine probe we vary the voltage with very small value, and by varying this course we vary the voltage at this value. Okay, now the voltage is 10.1 volt. We take the input supply from this power supply, and it is connected on the VDD. Okay, now we are going to take the reading of this single stage common source FET amplifier practical. In this, the reading we have to taken are as shown in this chart. The input voltage is kept constant by varying the input frequency range from 100 Hz to 1 MHz. Okay, we vary the input frequency. According to that, the output voltage we have to note down, and we have to calculate the voltage gain and gain in dB. I will show the first reading of input frequency, output voltage, and how to calculate the voltage gain and gain in dB. In theoretical lecture we already discussed how to calculate the voltage gain and gain in dB. Practically now we will see how to calculate it. Now first we will see the input voltage which is applied at this circuit is okay, this is the input voltage. Input voltage is having the value 1 into this 1 into this 1 is 1 volt. Okay, input is 1 volt. Now we are going to see the output. This is the output voltage which having the magnitude as 1 2 3 4 5 5 into 0.5, that means 2.5. Okay, from this we are able to see the amplification takes place. The input signal having very small value and the output having very large value, that means amplification is done by using the field effect transistor. Okay, we first take the reading of this practical by taking the frequency, input frequency as 1 kilohertz. Okay, input frequency is 1 kilohertz. We connect the CRO probe at the input, so the input voltage is 1 2 3 3.4 into 0.5, 3.4 into 0.5 or 3.4 into 0.5, that means 1.70. Okay, 1.70 volt is the input voltage. Now we write here input frequency as 1 kilohertz. Output voltage, now we are going to calculate. Input voltage is we will take input volt, or we set the input voltage as 1.7 volt. Now we will see the output voltage. We connect this CRO probe at the output. Now the amplification is done and the output voltage is 1 2 3 4 5 6.2 into 0.5 means 3.1. okay, the output voltage is 3.1 volt and the gain is output voltage divided by input voltage means 3.1 divided by 1.7 is equal to, the gain is 1.82. Now you calculate the gain in dB. I already discussed how to calculate the gain in dB in theoretical lecture. Now you calculate the gain in dB by using this formula 20 log VO by VI. It gives the gain in dB, and send what the gain on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.